Hi everyone, Morgan here. It is time to eat some Spam. So today we have a Spam recipe that is one of my favorites. We've done this a while back. It's Spam. Oh, thank you. Yes, we're getting lunch and she's just handing me all this food to eat. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry. Real food.
We are eating real food. I'm gonna make some pineapple Spam rice. It's really, really good. Super simple. All it takes is rice, Spam, pineapple, and whatever sauce you want. Sauces can usually last pretty good in food storage. Ugh. Cutting Spam with a knife is so primitive. I need that Spam slicer. We're still doing the giveaway, so if you want to just comment on this video or any of the other Spam videos, you will be entered in for the Spam slicer. Okay, so the rice is cooking. Just cook rice how you normally would. And of course, this is why we have helpers, right?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, drain the pineapple can. You can do chunks or anything you want. If you have fresh pineapple, go ahead and cut that up, whatever. I don't have to cut this up any more than this. This is good sizes. All right, Spam is all chopped up. I like to put the pineapple into the pan and just kind of like, not fry it up, but just, you know, cook it up just a tiny little bit before I add everything else. All right, Spam goes in. This is a whole can of Spam that I chopped up and put in here. So the Spam goes in and I'll fry that up a little bit all together. All right, once the rice is done, you're gonna mix that in. Oh, I really need two hands. As well as any other sauce or seasonings that you want. We are obsessed with this Mandarin teriyaki sauce by Panda Express. Any soy sauce or anything like that will also work, but man, this is the good stuff. All right, I let it simmer on low for just a little bit on each side. Like I'll let this simmer for like a minute, and then I'll flip it and let it simmer for another minute just to kind of get all those nice juices together. There it is. Just a little bit in the bowl right now, but oh man, so good. I'm going to do a taste test, though I've had this plenty of time, but I'm going to do the taste test. Okay. Gotta get a little bit of everything, right?
Mama.
This is probably one of my favorite meals ever. I love it.
You didn't do it with your pineapple.
Ah! You want to try some pineapple?
No.
What do you think?
I don't like it.
Oh, come on. It's exactly like chicken and rice. Okay, so the kids generally don't eat this meal, but we like it, and they'll eat the rice. Sometimes I put the rice off to the side or something like that, but it's one of our favorite meals down here. Super easy. I'm going to put loose instructions down below in the description, as well as a link to the Spam cookbook and the Spam slicer in case you're interested in it. And don't forget to get in on that giveaway for the Spam slicer by just commenting on any of the Spam videos for this collaboration.
Hey, it smells like Spam in here.
Enjoy. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.